nandito na kami sa farm ni Ate Sheena. Kakarating lang namin guys. And last 2023 pa ako dito, December. So almost 2 years ago. And the view is so refreshing. We have a good view of the Mount Matutum. Ano yung sister ko, yung mga anak niya at helper niya. Mga kasama ni Ate Sheena. Ate Sheena for now, nasa Thailand pa siya, nag-work. And I'm showing you the view of the entrance papunta sa property ni Ate Sheena. So yun, part of her personality is parang zen time. Gusto niya mag-relax. So kumuha siya ng property dito sa bundok. And it's so nice kasi maraming puno. Hindi lang siya puno guys. Mga avocado tree siya. And then along the way we get to see kamatis, mga pechay, maraming mga tanim. Pagmamayari ito ng isang malaking company that provides crops. Export crops, ganun. So andun ang kubo. Yung entrance niya nasa likod. And then the view is overlooking. So if nasa second floor ka pa talaga ng kubo, kubo siya guys pero may second floor, so parang bahay na din. If nasa second floor ka, mas maganda yung view na makikita mo. So yan. So the entire concept says a lot what about Ate Sheena's perception at this season. So ang ganda kasi the last time I was here, scrap pa lang talaga to. Everything was just under construction. Pero habitable na yon yung time na yon. So natutulog siya dito, overlooking on things. And then fast forward to now, 2 years gap from that moment. Maganda na guys. Bahay na talaga siya. Yan. Diba? Yes sir. And then, di mo talaga makikita na bare minimum yung pagkaplano. So merong ganito. Parang tourist spot yung datingan guys. Pero yeah, if you want to go here and visit, you can contact Ate Sheena. Baka i-open niya to for Airbnb. Merong mga tanim dun, puno, a huge canvas of the sky. That's God's creation that you can see every morning, every noon, afternoon, until evening guys. Mas pinaganda pa guys kasi may dirty kitchen siya. Hi Mayumi! Hello kuya. Nandito yung kusina di ay. Kasi mabalik na ko ng pasko. Mayumi! Not there! Galit si Tito oh. Galing magalit ng Tito, parang aso. Auntie Grace. Yan, meron na ang water supply. And then, kanina nakita ko ito na part. Merong mga bagong tanim. No. I think it's cabbage. Correct niya lang ako guys if mali. Pero ang ganda. Zoom natin konti. Ang ganda kasi parang resemblance siya ng mga drawing natin back then. If part ka pa ng Generation Z, mga 2000 and below, yung birth year, this kind of of frame parang dinadrawing natin noong elementary pa tayo. Like pinagpagsabihan ka na mag-drawing ng bundok, gawa ka ng ganyan, guhit-guhit, and then tanim, and then may sun, tsaka ulap, and then bahay kubo. So yeah, maybe that's the whole concept. Yan, may mga garden plot dito, carabao grass, and then maganda na kasi may kuryente. Saan ba na nanggagaling yung kuryente? Tanong natin. Before natin i-end yung vlog, let's talk about this property investment. So maganda siyang i-consider guys, having your own parang farmland wherein pwede kang magbakasyon pwede ka magtanim during your pastime, or gusto mong lumayo muna sa city and experience yung payak na pamumuhay. So pwede ka magtanim, mag-alaga ng livestock tulad ng ginawa ni Ate Sheena. Meron siyang mga chicken dito. Pag nasa city siya, busy siya sa business niya. Pag wala siya dito, meron namang mga tauhan na iniwan niya to take care of everything. Merong mga tanim na dragon fruit andyan sa background ko, and on the side nandun nakatanim yung mga chicken, and marami pang puno. May mga kamyas, may avocado, may mga sili, niyog, langka, madaming pwedeng itanim. And then going back, the idea is so nice, especially when it comes to financial side, kasi if ever you are living in a province like this, may tendency talaga na mura pa yung lupa. So you will be able to have an investment, maganda na at mura pa. At the same time, maaliwala siya not just sa view but sa entire being mo as a human. So after ng busy life sa city, you will be able to visit this kind of place. Payak lang na pamumuhay. Kita nyo naman yung kubo. Meron na yan siya mga kwarto dyan. Merong CR, merong kusina. Yung typical lang talaga na Filipino style na kubo. And then around us, overlooking siya guys. I'm gonna show you the view. So ganyan yung view dito. Napakaganda, especially if clear yung langit. Walang ulap na parang nakaharang sa mga bundok. So this is just a speck of South Cotabato. Imagine if you are going to go around South Cotabato, you will see the beauty of Soc-Sargent also. So we have Lake Cebu, we have the pineapples, Sea of Pineapples, we have flower farms, may bagong open dito, and then more of the cultural heritage of the Region 12. And as a real estate student, what I can say about this is that wise na talaga siya na option for young professional or young adult working sa city, working as an expat sa ibang bansa. So consider this as a forced savings. You know naman pag sinabi natin forced savings, mapipilitan ka talaga maglaan ng pera, but at least it's going to something na para will save you in the future and will protect your money against inflation. Ano yung lighting dito? But be careful when it comes to planning in investment, especially sa lupa. Don't do it impulsively. Hindi porket maganda sa mga mata mo, kukunin mo na agad. Consult sa professional, real estate broker, real estate appraiser, or anyone that you can rely, and then have them advise you. And then on the financial side, maghanap kayo ng doable for you, and then anticipate for the future, so that wise in a way yung pag-i-investan mo. So yun na muna for today's video. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat for coming with us dito sa bukid ni Ate Sheena. Sana in the future, some of you will be able to come and visit and experience Hacienda. So pasensya na sa background ko guys, medyo masaya yung mga bata. And yeah, feel free to like, share, and subscribe bago pa tayo sa YouTube. Sana maka-earn pa tayo ng subscribers if we will be able to partner with YouTube in the future and earn there, and there's more room to share blessings. See you guys!